Hi, I'm Dan Barrera. Let's take a quick overview of the LanTEK IV cable certification handsets. The system consists of a main handset and a remote handset, and there's two options available. One is a 500 megahertz option, which is good for certifying category 6A and below, or class EA cabling and below. And the second is a 3 gigahertz or 3000 megahertz option. That model can certify Cat 8 and below, which is a 2000 megahertz standard, or ISO class 1, class 2 cabling, which is also 2 gigahertz. So you have headroom of up to 3 gigahertz with that model for future cabling systems that might come out. The system consists of a main handset and a remote handset. The main handset has your capacitive touchscreen user interface. The remote handset uses LED indicators for the status. Each handset has similar ports and operating. We have power button on the main handset. We have an auto test button, the home button, which returns to the main screen, and the back button, which takes you back to the previous screen. On the remote handset, we have a power button, the auto test button, and the talk tone button. So you can execute an auto test from both sides. Let's take a look at the ports. On the main handset, we have the USB port for plugging in a thumb drive for transferring test results. We also have a USB Type-C connector, a headphone jack, and on the bottom, there's a port for charging the internal battery. You can charge the battery internally in the handset. You can also remove the battery and plug the power adapter directly into the battery for quick charging. Charging the battery in the handset will take approximately 8 hours if the battery is completely dead. If you remove the battery and plug the power connector into the battery directly, it will charge in about 4 hours. So you have a quick charging option there if necessary. And that's the same for both handsets. On the back of the handset, we have the RF connector where the modules plug in. So as an example, we have the category 8 channel adapter here, and that would connect into the module. We hear an indication audibly that the tester has identified the module, and then we can lock it by sliding this latch up. To remove the module, simply unlatch it and remove the module. This system has very strong physical connection between the two. So once that module is locked into the handset, it is a very durable system, which virtually eliminates any damage from this connector from dropping it or any inadvertent mishandling. The remote handset has very similar ports. At the bottom, we have the charging connector, headphone connector, and the USB connector. In this case, this USB port is used for connecting a flash drive to do software updates on the handset.